So for the question number 2, and this is about the tax. So assuming a 10% sales tax is levied on all consumption completion, the following tables. So instead of considering 10% sales tax in this question, we talk about if the sales tax increased to 20% on the consumption, and first complete the table and what is the type of this tax. Now the first column of this table is income, and the second column is the consumption, and the third column is sales tax, and the last column is percentage of the income paid in taxes. So we know the sales tax is 20%, and the 20% is on consumption. So in order to fill in this blank, what we need to do is to do the multiplication calculation. So the first sale we will have $11,000 times 20%, and we will get $2,200. So you can write down here. And how about the second level income, $20,000, and he spent all the money, so that will be equal to 20,000 times 20%, and we get $4,000. So you can write down the 4,000. Then you can do the same calculation by using the consumption times the sales tax, and you can finish the rest of the two. So in order to save the time, I just write down the answer. So that is 7,200, and here is 2,000. So that is how we finish the third column, sales tax. And the last column is about the percentage of income paid in taxes. That means how much of the money in your income are used to pay the tax. So what you need to do is you use a sales tax divided by income times 100%, and you will get this percentage. So in order to fill this blank, what you need to do is you use 2,200 divided by $10,000, which is your income, and times 100%, and you can use your calculator and you can get the answer that is 22%. So you can just write down 22%, and then you can very easy to figure out the next sale. So you are used $4,000 divided by what's the income, so that is here 20,000. So divide by $20,000 times 100%, and you will get 20%. Now you can use the same method to calculate the rest of the two. So I listed the answer. So here is 20%, here is 18%, and here is 15%. So now we can start to finish interpreting this table. So the third column we can see, as our income increase, our tax paid, the sales tax, also here, the sales tax is keep increasing from $2,200 to $12,000. So obviously income increase, the sales tax increase. However, the last question asks us, what is the type of this tax? In order to answer this question, you need to know how can we know the type of the tax. So we have three different types of the tax: progressive, regressive, and the flat tax. So the progressive tax, which means as your income increase, your tax rate should increase. So progressive tax means income increase, and the tax rate, remember this is a tax rate, which means the percentage of income paid in taxes is not sales tax. So if the progressive, it should be increase. If it is regressive tax, that means when your income increase, your tax rate will decrease. And the last one, the flat tax, means when your income increase, your tax rate never change. So now, looking at this example, as our income increased from $10,000 to $80,000, our tax rate decreased from 22% to 15%. So now the second part of this question is, the answer for the second part of this question, what is the type of this tax, is the regressive tax. So this is the answer. You should write it down.